tao, gandang buhay. Long live good person, good life, good person. Once again, welcome to my blog, my Mabuhay Erlinda Bing Basilio Rindon YouTube channel. I am your blogger of the century, your retired teacher, Erlinda Bing Basilio Rindon. Let me share to you a day in Davao City in Residencia Del Reo Subdivision, Catalunan, Pequeño. My morning walk. This is my new life, my new home, my new community, and I love this one. Life is here in Davao City. Life is here again, and we are celebrating now August Kadayawan. I love here because it's a peaceful community. No marites here. Why? In as much as all people, they are busy with their work. They have their work with duty early in the morning, and late in the afternoon they will be going home. Same with the students. The students here are only having their half-day classes. Another shift in the morning and the afternoon. I'm loving my new community. It's a residence by the river. So it is known as Residencia Del Reo. Reo is river. It's a Spanish word. Come, join me as we go on with our morning exercise on this fine day, fine weather of Friday. It's a holiday. Happy Kadayawan to all my crew, Davaoeño here in Davao. I'm now a proud Davaoeña. So it's a holiday today, and I think those who are working, they are at homes. Their homes, the homeowners are there. Okay, so it's a peaceful community. Love here, my life. Also, one advantages living here is you have your most effective and efficient, excellent government services. Whenever you have the transactions in the government offices, it's really a wonderful feeling because you will not have stress. In few minutes, your transaction will be done. I really experienced that. The people are there on their offices, so you can have their signature in that very moment. The city life is a wonderful life in as much as the excellent medical services, education. It's here in Davao City. So I choose my life. Yes, I'm a retired teacher. I can do all what I want. I can exercise anytime. I can pause, click, check, and pause with no restriction, with no someone to reprimand me. Wow. Isn't it a wonderful life of a retired teacher? Yes, I'm a retired teacher because I don't have school forms. Yes, I am a retired teacher because I don't have a boss. I don't have coordinators, head teachers, so on. The principals, I don't have that anymore. I'm the boss. So stress-free I am now. Enjoying my life, living to the moment. This is now the gym of the Residencia Del Reo. It's open to all homeowners. You can have, you play basketball, you can exercise here. You can do morning workout exercises. For the young, feeling young, once was young, you are welcome here. No registration, the basketball court. I love the basketball course. So this is a day in Residencia Del Reo Subdivision, Catalunan, Pequeño, sharing you my new life, my new home, my new community, my new co-residence here in Residencia Del Reo. Thank you for joining me. My day in Davao City today, Friday. I will be going to downtown to celebrate Kadayawan. Okay, join me in Magsaysay Park, People's Park,